In this video, we're going to set up our Wyze Cam. We're also going to be looking at scanning the QR code just in case you're having any issues during setup. For setup, you're going to need three things: your Wyze Cam, a smartphone or tablet, and a Wi-Fi connection. Download the Wyze app by looking up Wyze or Wyze Cam in your App Store or Google Play. Next, we got to make sure it's powered, so plug it in with the included USB cable and power adapter. The LED light will be a solid yellow, telling you it has power. Going back to your smartphone or tablet, open up the Wyze app and log in. Create a Wyze account if you don't already have one. Enter your email and password. It'll then send a verification code via your email. Pop that email code into the Wyze app. And now you're logged in and given a plus sign. This will let you add new devices and connect your camera to your account. When you're ready for setup, turn the camera over and press the button until you hear "Ready to connect."
Ready to connect.
Once you heard that, press Next on the app. You will then need to put in your Wi-Fi info. Once you're connected to your network, you tap this button to get the QR code. Hold your phone steady about 5 inches away. It should scan the QR code in a few seconds. If it doesn't, slightly adjust the distance between your phone and hold it steady while Wyze Cam adjusts. If it still doesn't scan, tilt the screen slightly in case there are some light reflections that aren't allowing the QR code to be read correctly. LED lights in particular can cause reflections that stop the QR code from being scanned easily. Once it is successfully scanned, you will hear
QR code scanned. Please wait.
Press this button and Wyze Cam will finish the setup on its own. The LED light indicator on the back will start flashing yellow and blue, then flashing blue, and when setup is complete, it turns to a solid blue and says, "Setup complete." Name your camera and you're good to go. If you follow these steps and are still having issues, check back in the link in the description to our article and support team so we can help you out.